Hi everyone, this is Kate Holloman. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I will show you how to hand paint and hand draw or hand letter a tank top. So as you can see, I got my tank top and some textile paints, paint brushes, and a masking tape, which after checking with ChatGPT, I am using to stabilize the fabric so that it doesn't run all funny under the paintbrushes and the markers. For an extra layer of support, I have a cutout cardboard that me and my kids were using for other t-shirt design projects. This is the area where I'm going to be drawing and painting my design. I like to start my designs with a sketch, so as you can see, I am pre-sketching my hand lettering. For my text, I chose the Bible verse from Proverbs 3:5, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart." Was just checking out how the paint holds on the brush and what's the best method of using this paint, as this is the first time I am using it. Certainly it's not as easy as painting with watercolors, not exactly the same as painting with acrylics either, but soon I figured out how to use it. This particular paint did best when applied abundantly. decided to go with markers rather than paint and brushes because it is easier. I was worried the marker wasn't going to last the whole time, so I switched to a different brand, and then I started noticing that this one was bleeding into the fabric. So in the other letters, I only used it in the very center of the outlines, and then I had to go back and use the first marker because it didn't bleed, and I think I was able to save the design. So here is the finished t-shirt design. I hope you enjoyed it, maybe got some inspiration out of it. I will be making more in English and in Czech language. Thank you all. Subscribe for more.